Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. This is for your relationship, this is for your career situation, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Prophetess of Moon, Completed World, and Astronomer of Spheres in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So there is someone really close to you. It may be a good friend or it may be the person you love, your partner, someone who is wise, someone who has your welfare in their heart, who is really concerned about your welfare. So this person is honest and they are helping you out, trying to help you today in your situation, guys, Sagittarius. So you need to listen to them, guys. Maybe this person is here to guide you and help you, and they are a great support to you. And if there is someone like that, you need to listen to their suggestions. Maybe you will see clarity if you listen to their suggestions, guys. So in your situation, you need to listen to them, guys, Sagittarius. And I also see that maybe you are having some doubt in your heart, maybe whether to listen to them or not, whether they are telling you the truth or what is the truth. So it may be a confusion in this relationship, or it may be a confusion you have in your work situation. So something is not clear to you. You don't know how to decide or what to do today, guys. And you are also suspecting them, maybe for some reason. You feel that they are not truly concerned about you. They are quite selfish, and you are suspecting their their love. Maybe you have doubts. You do not have that firm conviction on this person. So that is the reason you are not ready to listen to them. And maybe you feel that they are taking revenge on you for something, some circumstance of the past. So some kind of doubts or confusion is what you have in your mind, and you are in the verge of making some important decision for yourself, guys, in your situation. And I also see that maybe it is just like a tide, guys. A tide always has that ebb and flow. Just like that, your situation is constantly changing. So however hard you are trying, you see changes happening in your situation and a change of heart you are having. But you need not worry, Sagittarius. Whatever your circumstance may be, you are going to see triumph over your trials, and everything will turn out just as it should, and you will feel that sense of completion, happiness, and it is divine timing working in your life, guys. You need to understand. So whatever troubles or stress, at the appropriate time, it is all going to disappear, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Three of Suns. So with this card in your situation, guys, in your relationship. This person is here to support you and they are really interested in you guys. And maybe if you have some doubts on this person, you need not have doubt. This person is really devoted to you and they love to be with you and you can trust them, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Prince of Sons in reverse. So in your work situation, guys, you are confused. So some things need to be decided on. You need to make a choice, but you do not have that clarity in your vision. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have the Little Mermaid, Sacrifice. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are in a particular circumstance, trying to change yourself, making a huge sacrifice, maybe for someone you love. And you are not listening to your inner voice. Maybe you are doing something which you love to do, but at what cost? It is giving you a lot of pain, a lot of troubles. You are not happy with the changes you are making for this person or for this circumstance, but still you are doing it. You are thinking maybe only by doing this sacrifice you are going to show your love to that other person. But you can show your love to that other person, maybe your true concern to the other person, but at what cost? That is what is the question here, guys. So something which you cannot change or which you cannot do, there is a limit for anything and everything. So that is the meaning with this card. So you are making some sacrifice that is really painful, that is like simply giving up your own voice or your heart's desire. So you are changing everything for this person you love or for this circumstance, and in the long run it is not going to make you happy. So this sacrifice should be made with happiness, but if it is not made happily, then it is surely going to give you a lot of pain in the future, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to realize that the love which you feel you cannot work out, it's better you can be away from that love instead of doing impossible things to keep it, impossible things to have that love. So you need to understand that, guys, and you need to be aware of relationship which demands a huge sacrifice. Is it really worth it? So you need to take a important decision today. You need to see whether you need to sacrifice so much for this love. So it is all in your hands now, guys. Maybe if you feel it is worth it, you can go ahead. If it is not, you have to think twice, guys, before making the next move in this relationship. for this love. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Archangel Raphael. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, guys. And this card stands for healing, guys. Healing at all levels, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So this angel ensures safety in our travels and guiding us and assisting us in our day-to-day life and helping us to choose a healthy lifestyle for ourselves. Maybe if you are interested in meditation, you can take it up, guys. It is going to help you a lot. Or if you are planning to do some changes in your routine, maybe taking up a healthy habit like exercising or dieting, something which is a health oriented habit, you can do it. And also you need to heal even at the mental level. So whatever stress you are having, you are the one who can heal yourself. So this angel is assisting you in that. So if you need physical healing, you can go ahead. If you need emotional healing, you need to take the first step towards healing, guys. So that is what this card is about. And this angel is here guiding us towards our spiritual and physical growth. So that is the energy with this card. So you are already in the path of healing, maybe from the past relationship or from whatever stress you are having, or maybe some physical healing. Maybe you are recovering from some kind of an illness, or you are in some kind of illness and you are on the path to recovery. So that is the reading with this card. So this angel's guidance will help us, assist us in a healthy, happy lifestyle free of stress, and it is going to heal us in all levels, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for y'all, guys, with both the cards. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.